So as you can see here, this is my app, QuantShield. So we have a how it works page, which basically explains like exactly how to like make a stock and all that stuff. And here are the instructions. And here's a comparison between QuantShield and other traditional tools, which explains why QuantShield is better. And if you go here, we have the Learn section. The Learn section is basically like an article which talks about all the market basics that students will need to know when trying to run the simulation. And these are important because most trading apps give you just basic information, but this goes the full rundown of everything you need to know to make trading easier. Now we click on the simulator. This is where the real beauty happens. As you can see, we chose the ticker Tesla. And if we click fetch, we get the current price of the stock, the strike price, and the expiration date. You can adjust the expiration date and implied volatility to adjust the levels of the environment and see how it changes. And you can change the option trading to call or put. Then you run the simulation. Here is the Monte Carlo simulator working in real time. So the Monte Carlo price paths create 50 simulated price paths over 30 days, so you can see how the stock might adjust over like 30 days. And it gives you all the information such as the profit probability, the average profit, and the average loss. And it gives you all the Greeks that you will need to know. Finally, it gives you an AI analysis, which basically tells what's happening, strategy feedback, and how to improve. And you can even ask it follow-up questions as well. And finally, you can paper trade this. You click how much you want to buy the stock for and how many, and then you can see the total cost, and you click for confirm. So you can see the position open. Then you move to portfolio, and this is basically all your data. It gives you the open positions, it gives you your cash balance, it gives you your the starting balance that you started with, and like the total return. Right now we haven't made any profit since the stock is like assumed to be reducing. So that's your portfolio. And now contributions. So this is a solo build, so every part was mine. I did the product research and scoping, designed the entire visual system, built the pricing engine and paper trading system from scratch, and wrote all the educational content. So the impact and future scope. The impact is real financial literacy without any real financial risk for beginners of any age. Next, for the future scope, I want to add full options chain integration, a deeper AI coaching tied to a user's own trades, and a classroom mode for teachers. That's QuantShield. Thank you so much, and I'm happy to take any questions.